Hello everybody, so I decided to make this video because I have like a whole bunch of stuff that I have no idea what to do with, and I kind of just stuffed most of it into like random rooms. Um, I know some of this stuff you could actually still win by clicking floating W's or by visiting Miss Birdie in like the Webkins homeroom in the clubhouse, I believe. Like these Webkins care chairs over here and table. But some other stuff I don't think you could actually still get. Um, at least not until the holidays or maybe another special occasion. But yeah, if you see anything you like, just let me know. I'm gonna keep showing you other stuff, other rooms filled with stuff. Um, so yeah, most of them I kind of just name storage room, but obviously there'll be other rooms where they're actually not anything. So yeah, here's another example of another room filled with stuff. I'm actually gonna, I don't know what that is, but it's moving. That's interesting. So yeah, I have other stuff in here as well. So like holiday items. Again, some of these stuff you cannot get again. So I would prefer if you had like a trade offer for it. I'll pull up my list, but for the most part, like most of the stuff I want are clothing items. Um, so again, but if I have like happen to have like multiples of them, then I guess I could see like for example like these, like I don't know. Obviously I'm still gonna try to keep one of everything that I have, and I know this is also like these lockers are also filled with stuff, but I'm just like I have to move them over here and I don't really want to do that again. I'm pretty sure um I made another video that was similar to this. I think this is another one. Um Yeah, see, there's more stuff in here from like Winterfest. I have just a whole bunch. Now again, some of this stuff can actually be traded, like this um thing. Of course, I don't actually know what it is. There's also a dancing statue in the back that also can't be traded. So some stuff can't actually be traded. But if you want to maybe ask if it is able to, most of the stuff is, but you can always ask to be sure. Let's see what else I have. I know I have more stuff. I also have food, and I started collecting it, but I figured it might actually be worth something. So if you guys like want to know, just I can. I also have a bunch of this stuff. I think I might have given the rest of it away because I could have sworn I had a room filled with it, or maybe it's there and I'm just blind. Um, So yeah, I also have food. I have food storage. Now some of this stuff I'm actually not, and you can actually win again. Um, so yeah, I have this really random room, I know. So yeah, I have a bunch of food, and I'm kind of going through it, just to see if maybe you guys want anything. I don't know if you guys can hear whatever's happening in the background, but actually, I might. I have a lot of holiday treats and stuff, as you can tell. Now, some of them I'm not going to give away because I actually like some of this food, but you can always ask. Usually Valentine's Day food I don't give away. I don't know, I have a sweet spot for it. And you can always look to pause the video. I just clicked the first like 3 times. um, See, I'm not gonna go through everything right now. I'm actually trying to go through as much as I can. I still have like a whole other room filled with food. The reason I save it is really just to trade it because I know it could be very valuable as it's like a holiday room. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Um, See, like anything that's wacky related, also, like I know for 100% sure, like I will not give it away. Um, See, I keep a lot of. Oh, look at that! I have that. I didn't even notice. Um, it's like gingerbread stuff too. I won't. If it's like really cute, I won't. But yeah, so I'll try to go through this. I actually didn't even realize that thing kind of moving thing in the back. That's actually a pet specific item. You could actually get it for one of the free pets. I don't know if it still exists. It's like a cat or something. But yeah. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna go through the next room because this is a lot of food. So you have that obviously. There's also some stuff here that I have extras of and I'm kind of trying to get rid of as well, like some exclusive items like this Aztec stone statue. And you saw a money bag that I had in the room as well. Yep, I have this car, Big City Bus. You could also ask for other stuff as well. I also have like so many. Actually, no, I only have two. I have two of these desks, but again, like I said, one of them I'm planning on keeping. I'm planning on keeping one of each. Unless, of course, you really make a good offer for it, and I can't actually get it again. For the flower collection, I have a lot of the furniture from it. I have like 4 of these cheerful armchairs. I have other souvenir stuff. You can always ask, but usually anything that's extra is really what I'm planning on like trying to get rid of. I also have cozy condo stuff. I really have nothing, like nowhere to do it. Might make a room, but I don't know. So yeah, see a floating W. See, same thing goes with these beds. I have 4 of them. So yeah, anything that's extra, yeah, see here all the light up stuff. So if you like need any of this stuff, I usually only keep one set and I trade the rest of it. So yeah, I'm just like showing you this part. Oh, so if you see any PSI or like stuff that's in my dock, it's usually a pet specific item that I actually still have, but I don't want to trade it, so I mean, again, it's really just the extra stuff that I have, not really anything else in my dock, but again, you can always ask. So yeah, I have a lot of random stuff here. I'm trying to go like somewhat slow. It's like really difficult for me. So yeah, I have a lot of other Winterfest stuff. Oh, and Valentine's Day stuff as well, so yeah, so anything that's extra is really what I mean. I don't know what this is, but I have it. Same thing goes with the decorations. I have a lot of other decoration stuff that I don't have something from the beginning. I have to like go all the way back. The other thing too is some stuff actually I might not be able to trade. I have a lot of these gem tiles. I realized some people actually need them. I don't have a lot, but I have a few. So stuff try to go like somewhat slow. I'm also gonna make a clothing video right after this, showing my dock. And anything that you see that's extra in that dock will also be traded. I'm not going to really be speaking much in it. I'm gonna try to like do music over it, if that makes any sense, because usually with Screencast-O-Matic's like update, I'm not actually able to mute my sound. But I really just want to play music and I don't really want to talk through it. So yeah. I don't know if there's like another I could possibly show you. Because like I said, I have a lot of stuff that I kind of just want to get rid of. So yeah, really any of the extra stuff. The other thing too, I was going to pull up my list really quickly, but if I had time, I'll show you my other food inventory. So while I'm pulling that up, I'm just going to go to the other room really quick. Okay, so my list is pretty short, but for the most part, this is pretty much the majority of the clothes that I'm looking for. It's still kind of being updated, because I'm pretty sure I'm still going to want more. Here's some other clothing pieces. Of course, there's some prices that I'm looking for, but it's really my backup. I'm still going to continue collecting as, I mean, this is just to pretty much for options of actually getting stuff back from whatever items that anybody wants from my rooms. But of course, I'm thinking about taking a little bit of a break from Webkinz at the moment. I don't know if I'm thinking obviously I will come back, but for the meantime, I just figure maybe I can still finish completely my list and just get everything off of it, because I still want to do that. And of course, the new Summer Mystery, which actually hasn't been released yet, but some people have gotten the chance to get it as it was given for a promotion. You get like 14 bags or something, and they got it. So yes, this is on my list, all of the pieces really. But really, I really would like the s'mores and the watermelon outfit. Of course, I want the majority, I want all of them, but this falls on my list now. So I'm going to get back to the actual room. And I still have time, so I'll quickly show you guys the food that I still have. And if you guys really don't care, I mean, you could have exited out, I'd exit out of this video by now. But yeah, this is just stuff. So I'll probably be making one more video after this, which is my clothing video, as I mentioned before. And then after that, I don't know when the next time is that I'll actually have a video up, as I kind of will be taking a break. But again, if you guys see any food that you like, see I have like year cakes, and I know this could also be kind of worth more. I feel like 1 and 2 are like the most valuable. So yeah, food. And I would do my doc in this one entire video, but I'm not gonna have any time. So if by any chance you guys would, I might actually talk during my clothing video. I mean, I said I wasn't, but I might. Just because maybe I should explain myself more with clothing. But really the only reason I will ever trade a clothing item is if I actually have an extra of it. So if you don't see an extra of it, that probably means that's the only one that I have. But like I said, you can still ask. Seeing a lot of food here. I'm actually thinking, I think the most likely thing is what's gonna happen is I might just end up eating my food if nobody ends up wanting it, because I mean, I don't really need this food. I ended up sneezing, so that's why I paused the video. Yeah, that's what probably will end up happening with the food. So it just takes up space, and I kind of just don't need it. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Again, if you see something that you like or need for any of your rooms, I'll be happy to send it over to you. But for the most part, if I don't have like 1 or 2, actually 2 or 3 of an item, and it's gonna be hard to get it again, I'm planning on trading it, like for a holiday item, for example. But if I have like 12 or 10 of it, and you only need a few, or maybe just 1, I will be happy to send it to you. For example, like, I just saw these, like, I have like 10 of these Winter Wonderland windows, and it's like a lot, but I don't want to sell it because it's like a waste. So again, if you guys would like anything, please just let me know. And if you had any of the items that I was looking for, please just make a list of stuff you would offer that you want me to send you for it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.